Hi guys, I'm Sabrina and welcome to my channel. I should honestly be welcoming myself to this channel because I haven't been here in so long. My life has just been crazy with school and midterms. It was a lot of tests and it's been crazy, and SATs, oh my god, they're in 2 weeks. Finally, I just wanted to sit down and film something. My mom literally forced me. She was like, you haven't done it in so long. I know you like doing it. Do it. And I was like, okay. So today I want to do something a little more dramatic and fun because I've been out for so long that I haven't gotten to do a lot of makeup. So I want to have fun today. What I'm going to be using the most today on my eyes is the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. It is beautiful. It's literally my new favorite palette. The shadows are amazing and I just ordered the Queen of Hearts one because this one is so amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna start talking. Stop talking. I started talking a long time ago and I'm gonna get right into it. I always start with my eyes because then you can easily wipe the fallout away. Eye priming is so important. It's going to have the shadows last on your eyes. Because if you don't do this, your eyes are going to be really creasy and it's going to get kind of greasy on your eyes. As gross it is, as gross as it sounds, it's true. So after I wipe the powder away, what I like to do is feel my eyelids to make sure everything is smooth and I didn't miss anywhere with the powder. And I'm noticing that here's a little tacky, so obviously I did not get enough powder there. So I'm going to start with the color powder room, which is right here in my transition area. I'm done so wrong, guys. And I'm taking a really fluffy brush and I'm just putting it right in here. I want an equal distribution of color, so right now there's definitely more in my outer corner, but I'm going to bring that into my inner corner. Also, sorry that mascara is everywhere. This is from school. I literally had my school makeup on. I just took everything off, but you know, mascara never comes off, so I'm talking a lot today. I'm frantic. I'm making sure that this is really blown out because this color is going to get covered by all the other shadows, and by having it really blown out, it's going to be able to shine through the others at the top, and that's what we want. So another tip that I like to use is I'm going to look straight at the mirror. I'll look straight at the camera and you can see that you can still see some of the color above my eye. And that's when you know that you've blown it out enough, is if you can still see the color when you're just looking straight forward. You can still see the color, right? Watch me just watch this video back and be like, yeah, I can't say anything, Sabrina, you suck. Why is there a toothbrush holder in my brush case? Okay, that's what happens when you travel. I'm going to take a slightly smaller brush, but it's still pretty fluffy, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Raise a Glass. I'm going to put this just a little bit lower, but still equally distributing it between the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. So for this color, I'm not blowing it out as much, so when you look straight forward, you probably won't be able to see that much of the color, and that's okay. Purple shadows are literally the death of me. Also, this is from my glasses. They made an indent on my face, and it's not a cute look, but it's the look I'm going for, so. Okay, I'm actually going to use a brush that's a little fluffier and less dense, since this is a purple and it's harder. Yeah, so remember how I said you're not going to be able to see it when you look straight forward? JK, I blended that really far out, but it's okay. Okay, so after blending a lot, it's really usual that you're going to lose a little bit of the first color you put down. So I'm going to go back into powder room on a super fluffy brush, just a 2 dabs, barely. And I'm just going to really lightly just go right over the top, basically where the line is with the shadow to your skin, that's where you're going to put this product. It's now on a super flat synthetic brush like this one, except hopefully yours is clean. It's this color right here. It's a blue color and has purple sparkles in it. I think in real life you can see the purple more than you can on camera. I mean, you can definitely apply this with your fingers, but I like brushes because you can get more precise, that's not a word. You can get more precise with your application. So then I'm going to take some MAC Fix Plus and just do some spritzes. This is going to make the shadow ultra pigmented, very metallic. Make sure to get your lash line. Sometimes that can be looked over. So don't be afraid to get it in your lashes. Your lashes will be fine. That is very blue on camera, but you can see the purple sparkles in real life. Okay, so now we're going to go in and blend that super harsh line that we just made. I'm going to take Raise a Glass and just focus this where that blue meets the rest of the colors. Okay, other than this corner getting a little dark, everything looks pretty good. Hopefully I can clean that up with a makeup wipe. I'm going to clean everything up with a makeup wipe and apply some lashes, and then we'll move on. Okay, I am back with lashes and everything. There was so much fallout. Thank God I did my eyes before my face. I'm going to start by priming my face with this Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I still have the glue showing on my lashes. I'm just going to wait for them to dry a little bit more and that'll cover them. That was a side note. Anyway, this is just going to help the makeup stick and last longer. And it's also going to hopefully make my skin look luminizing like it promises. Oh my god, that was a lot. I think there's just a lot in a weird place. Like what? I think I was talking so I just couldn't multitask. I'm going to be using this YSL All Hours foundation. It's up to 24-hour wear. I'll be wearing it for about 30 minutes and then taking it off and going to bed. So I'm going to pump about 3 pumps in my hand. Should be the right amount. And then I'm going to use a beauty blender. I'm going to pick it up and I'm just going to stamp it all over my face. If you want like a really full coverage foundation, this is definitely the one I'd recommend because it covers everything but it does not look heavy on your face. It looks like you're wearing foundation. It does. Like, I'm not going to lie to you and say it doesn't, but it doesn't look heavy. Like some of them look really cakey and make your skin look older than it really is, and this one doesn't. Okay, so now I'm going to take the side of the beauty blender that I didn't have any foundation on. It looks like it does. That's old from this morning. And I'm just going to bat? I don't know. Was bat the right word? Let me know. I'm going to bounce this into my skin with no extra foundation on it just to make sure that everything is pressed into my skin and everything is even. Oh my god, my nose is itchy. I'm not going to do a lot of concealer just because this foundation is so full coverage. So this concealer is concealing everything I want it to, obviously, and I'm also highlighting with it. And you want to highlight the center of your face, like your chin, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, and then obviously under your eyes. So today I'm using a new powder. I usually stick with my RCMA No Color Translucent powder, like it's my baby. But recently I've been noticing that when I come home from school, my concealer's a little creasy, and I didn't know if that was the concealer or if it was my powder. So I decided to just try a new powder because I got it at my BoxyCharm, and I tried the cap has powder in it. Studio Makeup powder. It's HD finishing powder. And I'm telling you guys, I really had low hopes for it because I was like, nothing can top my RCMA, like these powders can be so random, but guys, this has been really good. My concealer has not been creasing on me with using this powder. The only thing is I have not tried to see if it is flashback or not, so I can't vouch for that, but it definitely locks my concealer into place, so that's what I'm going to powder with today. By stamping the powder, it's actually going to make your face look less powdery, because the powder's not going to be sitting on top of your skin. It's going to really be pressed into it. I'm going to powder here because I'm going to put my bronzer. But I'm being really careful I don't powder here because I'm going to put a liquid highlight on, and you don't want the liquid going over powder. I'm going to start with Powder Room. I'm just going to put that on my entire lower lash line. I'm then going to take the color Raise a Glass and put that really tight to my lower lash line. Wow, that got really smoky real fast. That was not really my intention, but we can live with it. I'm then going to use this first color, Boutonniere, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. I'm then going to take the highlighter in this palette. It's called Luxurious Bling. It's over here, and that's what I'm going to use to highlight my inner corner. This has a pink undertone to it, and it's so pretty. This is probably too dark for me since it is no longer summer, but do I care? No, because I like it. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to try and be very gentle with this application. For blush today, I'm going to be using this Hourglass I was about to say brush. Blush in Diffused Heat. Really light amount since we have some color in our eyes. For highlighting, I'm going to be using the CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this one is in, what is it? Oh, Celestial. I was like, does it say it? So the way I'm going to apply this is I'm going to put these drops directly on my face, And then I'm going to use a beauty blender to bounce them in. I'm tilting my face so they don't drip down. Oh my god, oh my god. No, don't go up there. No, no. No. Okay, tried to blend that best I could. It looks pretty good. It did get like far under here, so I'm going to try just put powder there so it covers up the highlight. Oh wow, okay, that was a lot and not in a very good place. Well, oh my god, it just moves around. So oh no, I got under my face and then I disrupted my foundation. So on this side, it was fine, and then on this side, it took off my foundation. So clearly it had to be me and not the product. Maybe I was too forceful with my beauty blender. We can get over it. I can put some hair here. Nothing happened. I'm fine. Just look at this one. This is my favorite nude lipstick of all time. This is Tom Ford's Blush Nude. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. It felt really good to get back behind the camera and to be doing some makeup. I actually really like how this turned out. That Colored Rain palette is so amazing. Like, their shadows are insane. Honestly, I'm really sorry, Makeup Geek. You've always been my favorite. But I think Colored Rain tops Makeup Geek, which is like a huge deal for me because I've been such I'm such a loyal Makeup Geek fan. But I don't know, these shadows just are so pigmented. They blend insanely easily. Anyway, I'm going to go. I have 2 tests tomorrow and wish me luck. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!